Alright, I'm going to talk about the fill command, multi-section, and blend surface. So what I'll do is create a plane. We'll create a line. Direction. I'll create a point. Let's go 2 inches high. Select OK. Whoops. I must have the Z already picked. Let me hit undo. Create a line. Point direction. Insert my first point. Oh my God. Add a direction. Coordinate 2 inches high. Direction will go in the Y. And let's just go, keep it simple, 3 inches long. I'm going to create an extruded surface. X direction will go 3 inches long. And reverse it. Let's create another line. Create a point in the X direction. Trying to do everything 3 to make it simple. Oh, I guess I went 2 inches last time. So it'll go 0. In the Y direction. Go in the Y direction here. Select OK. Let's go to surface and extrude that line in the X direction, 3 inches long. Okay, so we've got two surfaces. This will be construction geometry. All caps. And go ahead and build that. You can pause the video. And then when you come back, we'll do some fills, multi-section, and blends. Okay, so if I go to the fill command and grab this edge and grab this edge, it's not going to like it because there's a gap in there. You would have to get a boundary for fill surfaces. So in other words, I would need a line from here to here, from point to point, and another line here. I think I missed. Point to point, select OK. All right. Now, with the 4 boundaries in there, I could go to surface and fill that. Grab these boundaries. Select OK. And there's the fill surface. If that's what you were looking for, a joggle with sharp edges, then great. It's all done. I'm going to undo that. What you're going to do is create several different geometrical sets for each one you're doing. Okay, so you're going to have a geometrical set called fill, multi-section, and blend. If I use multi-section, I can grab this and this, and we'll hit preview. And that pretty much does the same thing fill does, except that I didn't have to create those boundaries. Okay, so multi-section allowed me to create the same thing basically as fill. Now I don't know if it's exactly the same or not. What you would have to do is do a fill and a multi-section and overlay them and see if the boundaries out here are actually the same. They may differ. Okay, it all depends on what your mating geometry is trying to do. So again, you're going to create 3 different geometrical sets. One for fill, one for multi-section. And I'm going to undo this. Whoops, I'll put that line back. And for blend surface, I will try this one here, this boundary curve, and this boundary curve. Preview that, select OK. It appears as though CATIA made 3 functions that do exactly the same thing. Alright, so for your first part of this, you're going to create 3 surfaces, 3 different geometrical sets called fill, surface, and blend. Again, I'm getting from here fill, blend, sorry, it's fill, blend, and multi-section. Multi-section surfaces. I want 3 geometrical sets. Create the 3 surfaces like I just did.